Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching Holo Taco's metallic foil collection. I did 2 coats for each shade, and then I topped it off with a layer of glossy taco. These polishes are super pretty, and I noticed that they build well, so I didn't need a 3rd coat to reach full opacity. I also love how they don't dry super bumpy, but adding the layer of top coat does give it that really nice, extra shiny and smooth finish. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know which ones you like best. So that's it for these swatches. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!